I'm about to show you guys how to find $1,000 a day untapped winning products before anybody else even knows they exist. We'll be covering my exact product research method that I use every single day to find some of my best performing products. We're talking about products that go on to do $500 a day, $1,000 a day, up to $5,000 a day and beyond. And I don't want to waste any of your guys' time. So when you're ready, let's get right into it. All right, so I'm going to log into the product research program I use every day, and this is called Zik Analytics. Now there's so many different ways to find winning products out there. You guys don't have to use a product research app like this, but this is what I use to make things so much easier. So in case you guys are interested, I will go ahead and leave a link for this down below. You guys can go ahead and create an account and follow along with me. But right away, it takes you to this page right here. This is called their Market Insights dashboard. It's going to show you the top performing Shopify stores this month, as well as the top performing products. You guys can go through any of these lists and get ideas of what you want to sell, but I want to show you guys exactly how I use this. So I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side and select their Product Explorer tool. And right away, you guys can find winning products using these filters up here, like high revenue winners, high ticket products, one product stores, print on demand stores. But I'm going to go ahead and type in my own filters down here. I want to have full control over this. So to start, I'm going to select 30 days as the sales date range. Then right here for minimum amount of revenue, I'm going to type in $30,000. So if we're finding products doing $30,000 every 30 days, those products are doing at least $1,000 a day. Then I want to find dropshipping products and one product stores. You guys can also select what kind of ads they have running. I'm just going to leave this blank for now. Once I have all that typed in, I'm going to click search. All right, so now it's going to show us the best performing dropshipping products. It's going to show you the product, when it was uploaded to Shopify, the price it's selling for, the 7-day sales, the 30-day sales, and the estimated revenue over the last 30 days. And over here on the left-hand side, it's going to show you a picture of each product and tell you what kind it is, whether it's a one product store, a drop shipping product, or anything else. You guys can also see which kind of ads they have running. So for example, the store right here has Facebook ads running. We can click on that and see their Facebook ads library. But for now, I'm going to scroll through this list until I find a product that catches my attention. All right, so after scrolling through this for some time, I came across this product right here, this migraine relief headband. And the reason this stands out to me is because one, it's super unique. I've never seen a product like this sold in stores anywhere. It grabs your attention right away. This product is one of those scroll stopping products that makes you wonder, what is this? But not only that, this product right here actually solves a problem. It gives you instant relief from headaches. So you can grab people's attention in your marketing by showing the product. People are wondering, what exactly is this? And then you can communicate exactly what it does. This is the perfect kind of product you guys would want to sell on TikTok or Facebook right now. So we can see it was uploaded just under a year ago, and it's doing over $64,000 every single month. We can click on this icon right here and analyze the store further. So the store right here is the Headlock shop. They're active on both TikTok and YouTube right now. It's a one product store with over 1,300 sales and $65,000 in revenue. We can pull up their sales chart right here, and we can see this brand is doing between $1,000 and $3,000 every single day with this. So this is definitely a good product to sell right now because the demand is there. And you guys can see exactly what these other brands are doing. So since they're focused on TikTok and YouTube, this is definitely a product you might want to bring over to TikTok ads. And we can go down here to this actual product and take a look at the product page that's doing these numbers. So here's the Headlocks Migraine Relief Cap from headlocks.shop. We're already hit with a pop-up right away offering us 5% off our order for our email right here. I really like that. This is something you should do on every store you build. That way you can capture your customers' email addresses and really build a list right away. But taking a look at this product page, it's a decently built product page. It's not the greatest I've seen. I mean, it's kind of low quality. They don't have any reviews imported. The photos are pretty blurry. It doesn't really talk about the features and benefits too much. It just seems like a copy and pasted AliExpress kind of product. Like, look at these images right here. They definitely grab your attention. Like, the product images are good, but this product page could definitely be built a little bit better. And that's where we come in. If we build a branded store around this ourselves, we can definitely build a cleaner product page using a tool like Claude, and we can start running ads tonight on this. So going back to Zik, you guys can actually source an AliExpress supplier right here using one click. It's going to use Zik's AI, and it's going to scan AliExpress for the best suppliers for each product you want to sell. It's going to give you the recommended selling price, the AliExpress cost, and then your overall profit margin. So you definitely want to find suppliers that offer good margins, like this one right here. But honestly, I can't in good faith recommend AliExpress suppliers to you guys. Unless you guys want to deal with 30-day shipping times, constant refunds, chargebacks, hell, even lawsuits, I wouldn't go near AliExpress. They used to be great back in 2017 when dropshipping first became a thing, but now if you depend on AliExpress suppliers, your business is bound to fail. So instead, when you find a winning product like this, you want to go ahead and source a private supplier for it right away. And typically you want to find private suppliers that have no MOQs or no minimum order quantities That way you can start selling these from day one. Because a lot of private suppliers out there won't work with you unless you're selling hundreds or even thousands of units every single month. And when you're first getting started, that's not very feasible. So the private supplier that I actually use across all of my own brands right now is called TeemDrop. And TeemDrop's by far the best supplier out there right now for dropshipping, print on demand, private labeling, or anything else you need. And it doesn't matter if you guys don't sell on Shopify. They connect with all the top platforms out there, whether it's Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, TikTok Shop, or anywhere else you sell. So whichever platform you're selling on, you can integrate directly with TeemDrop in just a few clicks. But let me go ahead and show you guys why I just switched all of my own stores over to TeemDrop. The reason I use these guys is because they can get you fast 3 to 7 day shipping on any product you sell. As you guys can see right here, they actually have their 8-day guarantee where all of your products will arrive within 8 days or less, or they're gonna refund everything for you. But you guys don't even have to worry about that because over 93% of their orders arrive within that 8-day mark, and they'll send your customers tracking numbers that update with 99% accuracy. So from the moment a customer places an order on your store to the day it arrives at their doorstep, that time is 8 days or less. Show me any other supplier that can do this consistently. Now to take this even further, the reason I love TeemDrop so much is there's no hidden costs and their platform's entirely free to use. So as you guys can see right here, most other platforms charge you between $50 or even $100 a month just to use their service. Then you have to pay for orders, shipping, product costs, and everything else. With TeemDrop, you only have to pay for your orders as they come in. There's no platform costs, there's no storage fees, there's no hidden fees of any type. So you guys can actually create a free account right now and start selling the products we found on Zik tonight. So for example, when you first log into your TeemDrop account, it takes you to this page right here. Here's their TeemDrop supplier catalog. And from what I've seen, they have all the major dropshipping products out there at any given time. As soon as a product goes viral, you can expect it to be on TeemDrop within days. That's because they have a first-hand look at all these other brands that sell on their platform, so they know exactly what products are working. Now, what's great about TeemDrop is they allow you to build your own custom brand for any product you want to sell. So for example, that migraine relief product we just found on Zik, if we wanted to source this product on TeemDrop, we could find it on there, list it on our own store, and put our logo on our product, on our packaging, create custom thank you cards, and that way we can stand out from every other brand that's selling this. So you guys can see all your different options down here. We have custom packaging, we have thank you cards, gift cards, boxes, frames, you can put your logo on your products. There's so many different ways to build a custom brand. And TeemDrop gives you unlimited options. So in case you guys want to source products with your own private supplier, I'll go ahead and leave a link for TeemDrop down below. But let's go back to Zik and take our product research a step further. All right, so if we go back to Zik and we click over here on the left-hand side, you guys can see their new ad spy tool right here. This just gives you an opportunity to see all of the top performing ads out there right now. But in case you guys wanted to sell the headache relief product we just found, we can get some ideas for our own ads right here. So for keywords, I'm just gonna type in the name of our product or product keywords. I'll type in headache relief. I'll leave all these other filters alone for now, and I'll click search. So we can see all these other headache relief products over here. I'm not seeing any active ads for the one that we're focused on, but we have other things like this comb right here, this ring right here. I've been seeing a lot of these headache relief rings, this face mask, even this neck and shoulder massager right here. What if we get rid of all that and just type in the word headache instead? So this is a little more promising. We're starting to see more products on here, but I'm not finding those exact headache caps. But this can definitely give you some ideas of other winning products to sell yourself. But you guys can type in keywords of your actual niche for the kind of products you sell, and you guys can find similar and related winning products this way. But I'm not finding anything for that specific product that we're taking a look at. All right, so if I go on this brand's TikTok instead, here's one of their better performing videos. So it introduces the problem saying they drink a lot of water, but their headaches aren't going away. It introduces the product right here, definitely captures your attention. People are looking at this like, what exactly is that? Then he puts it on his head, shows the headache going away, and that's the entire video. There's no call to action or anything. There's definitely a few ways I would improve this video if I was selling this product myself, but this just goes to show that this is definitely a really good TikTok product. But if you guys wanted to bring an untapped winner to Facebook ads, this is definitely a really good product to do so with. And I just gave you guys a free winner that you can go ahead and start selling tonight. But in case you guys want to find more dropshipping products just like this, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below. All right, that's by far the easiest way to find $1,000 a day products in 2026. I just walked you through my exact product research method using all the tools I use every single day, and even showed you how to find a US-based supplier so you never run into any issues. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.